Welcome back to my channel. In this video lecture, we will cover a new chapter of biology, that is breathing and exchange of gases. So let's begin with today's video. So glucose, amino acids, fatty acids are indirectly gives energy, and breathing or respiration is a process of exchange of oxygen from the atmosphere with carbon dioxide produced by the cells. Respiratory organs are depending on their habitats and level of organization. Simple diffusion, lower invertebrates like sponges, ciliates, and flatworms. Moist cuticle, earthworm. Network of tubes or tracheal tubes, insects, and gills in molluscs, fishes, etc. Lungs and terrestrial forms, amphibians, mammals. Moist skin, cutaneous respiration, that is in frog. Human respiration system: external nostrils to nasal passage, then nasal chamber, pharynx, larynx, then trachea. Then swallowing, then straight tube up to the mid thoracic cavity, divides at the level of fifth thoracic cavity into right primary bronchi and then left primary bronchi. They are supported by cartilaginous rings. Then the right primary bronchi, then two secondary bronchi, then tertiary bronchi, then bronchioles, and then the thin terminals, bronchioles. Number of very thin, irregular, walled and vascularized bag-like structure is called as alveoli. Lungs are the branching network of bronchi, bronchioles and alveoli. Two lungs covered by double-layered pleura with pleural fluid between them, then reduces friction on lung surfaces into two types: outer pleura, inner pleura. Outer pleura close contact with thoracic lining and inner pleura contact with the lung surface. Then alveoli and their ducts are the respiratory or exchange part, which where actual diffusions take place. Then mechanism of breathing: inspiration and expiration. In inspiration, atmospheric air is drawn in, then movement air occurs by creating a pressure gradient between lungs and atmosphere. Then intrapulmonary pressure less than the atmospheric pressure, negative pressure in lungs. Then contraction of diaphragm, then contraction of external intercostal muscles lifts ribs and sternum upward, the volume in dorsoventral axis. Pulmonary volume increases and intrapulmonary pressure decreases. Then tidal volumes, volume of air inspired or expired during a normal respiration. Inspiratory reserve volume, additional volume of a person can inspire by a forcible inspiration. Expiratory reserve volume, residual volume, inspiratory capacity, expiratory capacity, functional residual capacity, vital capacity, then total lung capacity. Exchange of gases: primary site is the alveoli, other sites are blood and tissues. Oxygen or CO2 based on concentration gradient. Rate of diffusion is on the basis of solubility of gases, thickness of the membrane. Solubility of CO2 is 20 to 25 times higher than that of oxygen. Then diffusion membrane: the thin squamous epithelium of alveoli, endothelium of alveolar capillaries, basement substances. Then transport of gases: blood transport into oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen 97% RBC, 3% dissolved straight through the plasma, 20 to 25% by RBC, 70% by bicarbonate, 7% by dissolved straight through plasma. Then transport of CO2. Then regulation of respiration done by neural system: first brain, then medulla respiratory rhythm center. They are the primary responsible for respiration. Second, brain pons region, then pneumotaxic center moderated the function of respiration. Rhythmic center: neural signals reduce duration of inspiration and then alter respiration rate. Then chemosensitive area, that is adjacent to rhythm center, then it is highly sensitive to CO2 and H plus ions. Then if these increases, center get activated. Then receptors with aortic arc and carotid artery also recognize changes in CO2 and H plus concentration. They send signal to rhythmic center. Then the role of oxygen in the regulation of respiratory rhythm is quite insignificant. Some disorders are asthma, emphysema, and then occupational respiratory disorders. So this much for today's video. Hope you liked it and understood it. Go through the PDF or go through the video once again to thoroughly understand the chapter. Thank you for watching my video till then. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like, share and comment my videos. Thank you.